Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in a mid-2011 11-inch MacBook Air. We've already gathered our materials and shut down the MacBook Air, and we'll be working on a soft static-free surface. We are now ready to begin. The first thing to do is close your MacBook Air and flip it over. On the bottom are 10 5-point Torx screws to remove using your pentalobe screwdriver. The two center screws along the hinge edge are longer than the others, so let's remove those first. Then, remove the remaining 8 screws. You can now lift the bottom cover up and off. There's a snap underneath near the center, so you may have to pull a bit to detach it. The battery connector is located here. To detach the battery, gently lift up on the edges of the battery connector until it comes out of its socket. There are 5 Torx T5 screws holding the battery in that need to be removed. These 3 are longer, so we'll remove them first. Then, we can remove the 2 shorter ones near the front. Now all you need to do is lift the battery up and out of the MacBook Air. Set your new battery into the MacBook Air and make sure it's laying flat. Then, replace the 5 Torx T5 screws that hold it in. Start with one of the long screws in the center to hold things in place. Then, the other 2 long screws in the inner corners. Then the 2 shortest in the front corners. Finally, connect the battery by lining up the connector and simply pushing it into its socket. You can now set the bottom cover back into place and replace the screws you removed earlier. First, push down in the center to engage the internal clip. Then, replace the 2 longer screws which go in the center on the hinge edge. Finally, replace the remaining 8 screws. You may now flip your MacBook Air over, open it up, and turn it on.